Welcome to 2201 Pershing's one bedroom, one bathroom E floor plan offering 738 square feet. Immediately upon entering the apartment, we have a coat closet directly to our left, plenty of storage space in here for vacuums and coats. We have the kitchen with full-size stainless steel appliances, plenty of cabinet and storage space, as well as a gray softstone quartz countertop. Directly off the kitchen, we have a living and dining area that's 12 by 18 feet. Large doors take you out to the patio. Beautiful view of the courtyard. Heading back towards the main entrance, taking a left down the hallway, we have the washer and dryer. To the right, we have the bathroom. 7 feet of white subway tile in the shower, angled shower curtain rods, a dual flush toilet, large vanity area, one large mirror, and one medicine cabinet. Coming over to the bedroom, we have the oversized windows and plenty of space for a king or queen size bed. This bedroom is approximately 12 by 13 feet. In the bedroom, we have a large closet, plenty for all your storage needs. And this concludes the tour of 2201 Pershing's one bedroom, one bathroom E floor plan.